Hi, this is John from Bonnet Pro. In our industry, there's a lot of swapping. There's a lot of buying and selling, and this company buys this company. And if that company buys an old company with old tech, it's still just a new company with old tech. Bonnet Pro has been established for years. We've been in the cleaning industry for 40 years, and we're here to serve you, not sell you. If you want an excellent Encap product, you need to have a Mega Citrus, which is neutral. It has a fantastic fragrance, zinc-based odor neutralizers, and AFT, active film technology, which is a functional protein to block oily binders and biofilms. Nobody else has this tech, and if it's not in your product, you're just not buying the best product, because this will make your future cleanings easier, especially for commercial contractors, and it will keep the carpets cleaner longer. Revive It Rocket with our special blended peroxide. There's just nothing better than it, and both can be used as hot water extraction pre-sprays. So neutral, this has oxy, and they are well established, great products with new technology that the old crystallizing type products just can't match. They create dust, we create clean. In the future, we're going to be adding these brochures so you're aware of everything that we carry. And on our homepage, there's a similar menu where you can see the different categories easily. You can get to the products you need quickly. Our shipping programs are different pick and mix products and build your own case products. And we have information on AFT, which is really worth the read. There'll also be some information about new products like Yellow Lava Urine Stain and Odor Remover, the best product on the market. Nanomax is an outstanding microemulsion nanotechnology. There's just nothing else like it in the industry anywhere. And Radical Rinse, your 1 ounce powdered Encap. So come to Bonnet Pro, check us out, see why we're your best choice, see why our technology will serve you the best, and what we can do for you today. info@bonnetpro.com if you want to email me, or go to bonnetpro.com on the web, or come to Encapsulation Cleaners World or Bonnet Pro on Facebook. You guys have a great day. We're here for you. Bye-bye.